Okay, now today's topic is how can we prove trigonometric identities? How can you prove trigonometric identities? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1 and sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1 and last one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is 1 equals to 1 from Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, how can we prove these identities? So first we have to take right angle triangle. So it is right angle triangle. Here it is theta. This is theta. Now opposite to theta there is perpendicular. The longest side is hypotenuse h and this is 90 degree right angle triangle. So near the theta there is base. So this is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. From Pythagoras theorem we can easily prove or easily understand these formulas, these identities. No need to memorize it. We can easily calculate this formula by using these triangles, by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let's first, what is Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is perpendicular square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. Now it is considered as equation number 1. So this is equation number 1. P square plus B square. We know that the Pythagoras theorem, statement of Pythagoras theorem is sum of the square of other two sides is equals to the square of hypotenuse. So P square plus B square equals to H square. P square plus B square equals to H square. Now first we will take H. Now dividing this equation by H square. Dividing equation 1 by H square. First we will take H. Now P square by H square, B square by H square, H square by H square. So here in numerator there is square and denominator there is also square. So we can take square common, P by H whole square plus here B by H whole square. Here H square by H square it is 1. Now we should know the initial trigonometric ratios first. So sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse P by H. Cos theta is B by H. Tan theta is P by B, perpendicular by base. And the reciprocal of sin is cosec. Cosec theta is H by P because the reciprocal H by P, the reciprocal of sin. So sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse, cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular. And sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So it is H by B. And last one is cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So the formula is reciprocate. So B by P, base by perpendicular. We should know these things first before going to this. Now look here. So we need to prove these three formulas by using Pythagoras theorem. Now this is P by H. It is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular by hypotenuse is sin theta. Perpendicular by hypotenuse is sin theta. So we can write here sin theta. Because of square will give square. So sin square theta plus base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse is cos theta. So cos, because of square will give square. Cos square theta equals to 1. So number 1 trigonometric identity is proved. Similarly, now dividing this equation by P square, either P square or B square. Dividing this equation by P square or B square. So number 1 is proved. Again dividing equation 1 by p square. So p square is p square by p square plus b square by p square equals to h square by p square. Now we can say that p square by p square is 1 plus, in this case we will take 2 common, b by p whole square, base by perpendicular whole square equals to s by p whole square. So here b by p is cot theta. So 1 plus cot, because of square we will give square here, theta. This equals to s by p. S by p is cosec square theta. Now 1 equals to, we will take cot square theta to right hand side. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So this is also proved. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So third case also proved. Now only left these things. So this one, first and third proved. Now again dividing equation 1 by b square. Dividing equation 1 by b square. Dividing equation 1 by b square. So this is p square by b square plus b square by b square equals to h square by b square. So we can take here common, p by b whole square plus this is 1 equals to here s by b whole square. Okay. Now compare with this trigonometric ratios. Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base is tan theta. So tan, because of square, tan square theta plus 1. This equals to s by b. Hypotenuse of base is sec theta. So it is sec square theta. So 1 equals to, now tan square theta, take to right hand side, sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now this is proved. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Now we can say that it is clearly understand from the figure. If you forgot this formula, we can prove this formula by using Pythagoras theorem, by taking right angle triangle. Okay, thank you.